mustaqbalka waxaan rabaa inaan technology barto.
waxaan filayaa inaan noqdo pilot.
waxaan jeclahay mustaqbalka inaan noqdo dhakhtar.
waxaan jeclahay inaan noqdo qoraal da'weyn.
waxaan jeclahay inaan noqdo daraso.
bare inaan noqdaan rabaa.
mustaqbalka waxaan jeclahay inaan noqdo ganacsato.
waxaan jeclahay inaan noqdo injineer.
marka weynaado waxaan jeclahay inaan noqdo macallimad.
Thanks to USAID's Somali Youth Learners Initiative implemented by Mercy Corps, tens of thousands of Somali youth have taken the first steps to realizing their dreams and hopes for the future. SYLI has been working over the past 5 years to support the next generation of Somali leaders and citizens by expanding access to quality secondary and non-formal education for over 100,000 youth. The education sector, along with other sectors, has been hard hit by 2 decades of conflict, with the majority of public schools that existed before either destroyed or in ruins. Communities stepped in to fill this gap. With over 70% of the population under the age of 30, this has meant that a large population of Somalia's children and youth has never been to school or failed to receive a quality education.
Somalia sanadihii u horreeyay waxaa laga yaabaa in muxuu ahaa enrollment rate-kooda aad u sarreeyay laakiin burburka wuxuu keenay wax dhan dhulku dhacaan eber noqdaan oo baaba'aan macallimiintii ay kala tagaan qaar dhintaan qaar cararaan wixii wax lagu baran lahaa iskuullada ay burburaan runtii dhib badan culusaa soo gaaray.
As the federal government works to rebuild its public and non-formal education system, the education sector across the country is starting to see positive change and momentum for reform of this crucial sector. SYLI has worked in partnership with the federal and state ministries of education to strengthen secondary education by providing fair, equitable and quality education services through a number of initiatives.
USAID is immensely proud of the partnership that we've had with the Ministry of Education to help deliver and expand educational opportunities for children all across Somalia. Over the past 5 years, we've made tremendous strides. We've trained new teachers, we've built new schools, and we've provided opportunities to children in places that really didn't see many opportunities before these efforts.
From 2013, the program has constructed and rehabilitated 360 classrooms in 60 secondary schools across the country from Somaliland, Puntland and the south central states of Galmudug, Hirshabelle, Banaadir, Southwest and Jubaland. Another 450 other structures were rehabilitated, including separate latrines for boys and girls, school administration offices, and water supply facilities to improve the school's environment for students, teachers, and communities. These infrastructure improvements have decreased overcrowding and enabled more students and teachers to regularly attend school.
waxay dhiseen iskuulkan quruxda badan leh qofka iskuulkan arko iskuulkan waa lacag laan qofka iskuulkan arko wuxuu uudkiisa dosan dhaqaaleysiinin wuxuu isku dayo uudka marka bulshada waxay noqonaysaa bulsho wax baratay oo dhiirgalsan.
A significant increase in enrollment has already been recorded, with an overall increase in 8% for boys and 17% for girls in SYLI-supported schools over the last 2 academic years, and a remarkable 33% increase in enrollment in South Central Somalia.
markii ugu horeysay oo fasalladii la dayactirayay 8 arday baa joogtay 8 arday ayaa joogtay oo gabdhaha wiilalba leh maantana 975 arday baa guud ahaan joogta.
Already, the far-reaching benefits of these schools are being felt by the communities they serve.
Schoolkan waxbarashadiisu aad bay hadda u wanaagsan tahay. Fasallada maadooyinka iyo macallimiinta ba aad baa loo wanaajiyay ahaan. Aad iyo aad baan ugu faraxsanahay. Waxaanu nahay dad awal mugdi ku dhex jiray haddana iftiin u soo baxay oo kale.
Furthermore, to enhance the provision of quality education, SYLI has trained over 2,600 existing and new teachers at new teacher training institutions across the country to enhance their knowledge of core subjects like language, mathematics and sciences, and to strengthen their teaching skills and management of classrooms. Head teachers have also been trained in leadership and school management to support teachers in the classrooms. Although in recent years enrollment rates for girls have increased slightly, they are still only a third of boys. Girls tend to drop out, with school completion rates at a low 3% of those who are enrolled. Girls lack female teachers to serve as role models and to provide the much-needed emotional support in their day-to-day educational needs. To address this, through SYLI, 233 female teachers completed a 2-year teaching course to be agents for change in their communities, leading to a higher number of female students completing secondary school and yielding equal opportunities for boys and girls for advancement in higher education and ultimately gainful employment.
iskuulkan waxaa ku sii jeclaaday gabdho muxuu ahay hadda macalinahan oo kaleeto marna waa saaxiibaday mar waa hooyaday marna waa walaashay waxa wali oo i qabsada iyadana waan u sheegan karaa oo garab igu siin kartaa.
In addition to the support to secondary education, USAID also supported non-formal accelerated education to give students who have not had access to education an opportunity to catch up. Over 12,000 young Somalis, 78% of them young women, gained skills in literacy and numeracy and business skills. Another 5,000 youth gained skills in leadership and event planning and applied these skills in various community service activities. SYLI also collaborated with the Ministries of Youth and Sports and Education and local youth organizations to provide in and out of school youth with platforms and opportunities to network and discuss critical issues affecting them. Youth-led activities such as cleaning up campaigns, sports tournaments, and the celebration of National Youth Days have brought over 60,000 youth together in achieving common goals. In fact, through SYLI, we have learned that civic engagement is a cornerstone of education and empowering youth. A Mercy Corps 2016 impact study of SYLI showed that when education is complemented by meaningful civic engagement opportunities, youth are empowered and are less likely to be interested in and resort to violence. Youth must be considered as a critical partner in peace and development. Because of SYLI, youth networks now have the platforms to voice their concerns and advocate for positive change so much needed in Somalia. The federal government of Somalia recognizes that we should not only work for young people, we should work with them.